Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy the Solana Shib Coin. Your first step is to open up your browser, and with your browser opened up, make sure you're logged on to coinmarketcap.com. On coinmarketcap.com, simply scroll down and copy the contract address you can see. Once you've scrolled, head to the market section so you can have a look at where the coin is being traded on. And one of the top exchanges is Radium, and it's being traded against the Solana. So how can you get yourself some Solana Shib? It's quite easy. Minimize and open up a wallet of your choice. The Trust wallet, MetaMask, and any other wallet that has a browser can be of use. When you click on the Trust wallet, make sure you have some Solana. So make sure you have some Solana on your wallet, as we're going to be using Solana to perform this transaction. Now, your next step would be to head over to the browser at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once there, simply search for radium.io. So once you've searched for radium.io, the link would be in the description. Simply make sure your wallet is connected by clicking the Wallet Connect icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you've selected this option, you'd see that your wallet has been connected. Now, the next step is, in place of the 1 SOL, where we have the drawdown, simply paste the address we just copied. Click on the Solana Shib. Once you've selected Solana Shib, click on Confirm. Enter the amount of Solana you wish to convert into the Solana Shib. Click on Swap. You'd be shown a screen that contains the confirmation. Click on Sign. Put in your passcode. And once you've entered your passcode, the transaction will then begin. And the transaction has been confirmed. Close radium.io. Head to the Home section. Click on the Crypto tab at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the plus icon. The network, set the network to Solana. Paste the contract address we copied. Click on the import option, and you'd find your Solana Shib on your wallet. Here we go, the Solana Shib. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question, and you'd be given an answer. Thank you.